At this time of year, Himalayan balsam is really evident on some of the rivers here. Towards the end of July into August, it's a flowering plant and it's pretty obvious at this time of year. The problem with Himalayan balsam, although it's a rather large attractive plant, it's certainly attractive to bees, the problem for us is that it's an annual plant, and in the autumn it dies down and it leaves the riverbank bare, so that when winter rainfall comes, that winter rainfall washes down through the banks and that sediment enters the watercourse. It's quite a distinctive plant, and at this time of year it's flowering towards the end of July into August. It's a very attractive plant for bees, but remember, when bees are visiting this plant, it means they're not visiting our native plants and pollinating those. Himalayan balsam, it's a non-native invasive species, and it colonises the riverbank and suppresses other native vegetation. The thing about Himalayan balsam is, although it's a large plant, it's very shallow rooted, so it's relatively easy just to pull up. And what we're doing when we're clearing Himalayan balsam is to come along at this time of year when the plant is in flower, but before it sets seed, and simply pull it up and destroy it. And there you can see that is quite shallow rooted for such a large plant. And if we can remove the whole plant, it won't regrow next year. It's an annual plant, so after a period of several years, if we're removing every plant we find, then there is no longer a seed source and the problem is solved.